Good morning, children. You have passed class 9, but the result was not published due to coronavirus. And you were promoted in class 10. And this is the first day when I am seeing you through video conferencing. And now I am going to teach geography, the first chapter, sources, resources and development. On the basis of ownership, there are 4 types of resources: individual resource, community resource, national resource, and international resource. Individual resource, I want to explain individually. The resource which is owned by individual or a private person is called individual resource. As for example, land, houses, and personal property which you have. Community resource, the resource which is owned by the neighboring people of the society. As for example, parks, playing ground, etc. The national resource, the resource which is owned by the central government. As for example, forest, sanctuaries, wildlife, etc. International resource is owned by all the countries of the world. As for example, ocean, space, seas, etc. Space also. Now I am going to write down the types of resources on other basis. Stop. Next is on the basis of origin. There are 2 types of resource: biotic resource and abiotic resource. What is biotic resource? Resources which are obtained from the living things. This is very simple definition which will be easily grasped in your mind. The resources which are obtained from living things are called biotic resource. Leather, milk, eggs, meat, fish, furniture, etc. also. And next is abiotic resource, the resource which are obtained from non-living things. It is so easy that you within a minute you can understand and you will not forget it in the future. That will be engraved in your mind to understand. And example is remaining out fossil fuel, minerals. There are so many things which are obtained, which are formed by non-living things. So this is biotic and abiotic. And the third is, okay, on the basis of stock, there are 2 types of resource: renewable resource and non-renewable resource. Renewable resource have extra 3 more names. Students sometimes become confused to hearing other names. The question will not be asked by this name. It has total 4 names. Renewable resource, another name is non-conventional resource. Non-conventional resource, and third is replenishable resource, and fourth is inexhaustible resource. तो इसके ये 4 नाम हैं, ध्यान से सुनना. रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स के 4 नाम: रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स, नॉन कन्वेंशनल रिसोर्स, रिप्लेनिशेबल रिसोर्स एंड inexhaustible resource. And other is non-renewable resource. इसके भी 4 नाम. दूसरा conventional resource, non-replenishable resource and exhaustible resource. I want to explain one by one. Resources which will be exploited day by day in tremendous quantity, but it will never be exhausted in the future. That is renewable resource. It will be exhausted and that will replenished. एग्जाम्पल वाटर, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, प्लांट्स रिसोर्स, solar light, etc. And non-renewable resource is that the resource which can be exhausted after excessive use one day. Non-renewable resource will be exhausted one day after exploiting them consecutively for many days. Means example, mineral resource and fossil, petroleum, coal, these all are exhaustible. These can be exhausted one day if we exploit them day by day. Because their stock is limited in the nature. The limitation is fixed from before कि स्टॉक तुम्हारे ये पास है, डेली खर्च करते जाना है, डेली खर्च करते जाएंगे तो एक दिन सारा स्टॉक ख़त्म हो जाएगा. लेकिन सनलाइट, वाटर, एयर का स्टॉक इतना अपार है कि उसको जितना भी खर्च करते जाएंगे वो समाप्त होने वाला नहीं है. इसलिए वो रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स है और ये नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स है. ठीक है, और बाकी फिर अगले क्लास में दिया जाएगा.